Mr. Kennedy has embraced conspiracy theories, quacks, charlatans.
A tense standoff with President Donald Trump's pick to lead the U.S.'s top health agency. Robert F. Kennedy Jr., a known vaccine skeptic, grilled by lawmakers Wednesday over his stances on those life-saving shots, health insurance, and abortion.
Every abortion is a tragedy.
Did you say it, Mr. Kennedy? This
believe
matters because unlike other jobs we're confirming around this place, this is a job where it is life and death.
One thing lawmakers were intent on knowing, how Kennedy's unorthodox beliefs could impact his handling of disease outbreaks, like the one happening in and around Kansas City right now. The state is grappling with the worst tuberculosis outbreak since the 1950s. Health experts are calling it a stark warning, but say right now there is no threat to the general public.
We would expect to see a handful of cases every year. What is unique in this is just the sheer number of this outbreak of cases.
As of last Friday, 67 people were being treated for the disease, and officials say there have now been 2 deaths since the outbreak was first reported in January of last year.
We'll find all the cases, and then the local and state health departments with CDC assistance will go out and get all the contacts of those positive cases and test them. If they test positive, we can treat them with drugs so that they won't get sick.
But there are concerns that no information is being shared at the national level after the Trump administration told federal health agencies to pause public communications as it reviews priorities. The president also ordered the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention to stop communicating with the World Health Organization after Trump withdrew the U.S. from the UN agency for a second time, complaining that America pays more than other members.
It seemed a little unfair to me. So that wasn't the reason, but I dropped out.
The Kansas Department of Health and Environment wouldn't comment on whether Trump policy was hindering efforts on the ground. But in a statement to CGTN, the office said it is working with and following the guidance of the CDC, an agency that RFK Jr. would oversee if he gets confirmed by U.S. lawmakers. Toni, Waterman, CGTN, Austin, Texas.